name is Vani, and my startup idea is about an AI tool for small and medium enterprises. As you can see, sorry, let me just come here. Okay. It's synthetic brand ambassador. So our idea is basically based upon, as we know, that the creator economy is in boom from the 2023 itself, and the powerful brands know how to leverage the content creation and really take advantage of it. It's really important in nowadays to build a distribution network as strong so that you can expand your business to diverse opportunities. So for that, our vision, we believe, enabling every small and medium enterprises so that rather than renting the influence, they can just own it. For example, suppose when you buy a house, you are actually not you don't have to pay the rent for it, and it adds up to your equity, but you have to rent the influencers, you have to spend the money again and again for their content assets. So we are enabling and building an operating system that will help you leverage your content autonomously with the help of AI. Can I have the next deck? So there are three pain points that we are solving. First is the agency trap. So what happened nowadays when brand goes to an influencer marketing agency, they tells them what content wanna create and everything. If the video gets up, the influencer will the next time he will charge him the more amount. So they just get trapped in this low output cycle where they have to pay more and more again and again over and over for the content assets. And the second trap they have, algorithm nowadays have become so toxic that within the 3 months it just shifts, and you are not able to gain the virality within the 3 months because the first it used to prefer the social graphs, but it has now shifted toward the interest graphs. The third problem we are solving is AI gap. The current tools like the Mid Journey and VO3, they are powerful but stateless because they don't have that memory to actually recognize a brand and create content consistently about it. Can I have the next slide?
स्लाइड ही चाहिए 3 बोलते हुए स्लाइड ही चाहिए नेक्स्ट वाली
यही वाली बता दीजिए,
स्लाइड
कट जाएगा. So actually, what happens currently, what is happening right now, when you go to the platforms like Midjourney, Hagen, or Synthesia, you go and you select an avatar, you select your prompt, and it generates the content. But that content feels so stiff and boring that it doesn't gain the virality, because the virality now prefers breaking the patterns and actually making something that is highly engageable. So what we have to do in our platform, you just have to paste your website URL, and it will, through an AI, it will analyze all your website and what vibe is suitable for that, and according to that, it will help you generate your content assets. I would like my team member Sanjam to express it further.
Hello everyone, I'm the strategy lead for the brand. So basically today most AI video tools that exist in the market, they are made for creation by creators. So for example, they require complex prompts and people to actually think very creatively and visually to actually create good output, which most SMEs, owners and all, they're not capable of doing at the current moment and on a larger scale. So what our, like Vani explained, that our platform, it enables them to just paste the URL and actually get a guided campaign and what all they need to actually make it interactive. So we are not so essentially we are not targeting actual content creators, rather we are shifting the focus from those people who do not have a big creative team, they don't actually understand the concept of prompting but still want creative, good and high budget looking campaigns. So that's the gap that we're strategizing on covering. So our strategy revolves around removing the complexity and basically making these AI generation accessible to all. Um, instead of In our business, instead of asking the creators to think Instead of asking the business owners to think like creators and be creative, we just tell them to think like business owners and we do the rest. So our strategy targets SMB and D2C brands, which are essentially non-creators, and it depends on high content demand. While others compete on output quality, we actually compete on decision autonomy. So you can easily optimize the output on the basis of your brand and the campaign you want without even having prior design experience.
Hi, so I am the research and the data lead. So from my research, I had found three problems. The first one is the small and the medium brands can't afford the marketing agencies as they are charging a lot. They are charging approximately $5,000 per month. The second issue is today the social media platform require high content. Like you have to post for around 20 plus more posts every week, and they can't completely rely on the automatic AIs because they don't focus on the brand color, brand tone. So basically, I found that today the global content marketing industry is worth more than $400. So we are focusing on small and medium businesses which are earning approximately $1 to $10 million per year. Actually, the thing is that what any marketing agency charge for a professional video is approximately around $400 million, and we can do the same thing in 200 million cost. So basically, we can generate 5 times more content output, and there is no need to hire new employees, and this maintains the strong brand consistency.
So hi guys, I'm the marketing lead, and basically our target customers are SMEs and D2C brands which are generating revenue in the similar bracket but are currently stuck between like expensive agencies and like limited DIY tools, and they need high volume consistent content but cannot scale efficiently. So we operate in the $400 billion global content marketing industry where brands are shifting towards automated scalable solutions due to rising ad costs and falling AI compute costs. And to acquire customers, we use three main strategies: direct outbound sales targeting founders and CMOs, integration partnerships with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, and demonstrating our product's capability by using our own AI influencers to grow our brand.
On this slide, we explain our positioning with the idea that we sell the painting, not the brush. What this means is that, like many companies today sell tools, but we plan to sell complete results. Like businesses don't have the time to learn AI tools, so we'll be giving them the direct, effective marketing content that they can use for their brands. So our startup provides finished, ready-to-use marketing campaign instead of just the software. So like right now there are two methods that companies can use. One is like they use the traditional method where they hire companies to build them the content for advertising, or the second they can use generic AI platforms. In the first method, the problem is that they are very expensive and they are slow. While in the second generic AI method, they are often fast, but the results are unreliable, and like they do not have the brand's voice or identity. So our platform, the Synthetic Ambassador, we combine the advantages of both the traditional and the generic AI tools, and we provide high quality content at cheaper prices. This we achieve through brand memory layer that will our technology will remember the AI's rule, style, and voice, so that every time the system creates content, it stays consistent and on board. So overall, this system bridges the gap between slow, expensive agencies and fast and unreliable AI tools, and we end up delivering high quality content for marketing at speed and at scale.
Moreover, to add, I would like to tell you that our platform offers two specialities. First, you can develop your own mascots without copyrights free, And the second, you can have a storytelling video content about it. And we are done with the PPT. Any questions, guys? इधर आ जाओ सारे, इधर आ जाओ.
Yes, one.
Okay. How does system, maintain originality? I mean, like, how you gonna make sure that the system's not generating the same content again and again? I mean, it's an AI at the end.
Sorry, can you just explain your question a bit?
Yes. My question is, how this system is gonna maintain the originality of the content?
So we will train our model on basically on that specifically, so that the whenever a user enters its website URL on our website on our app, it will generate a backend prompt according to that, and it will generate a new chat where the business owner can just गो इन दैट जेट और वो वहाँ पे जाके अपना दोबारा उन्हें दोबारा जो भी एसर्ट्स वगैरह क्रिएट करना है वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड इट हैज़ अ मेमोरी. जब वो चैट क्रिएट होगी तो उसके में उसकी मेमोरी क्रिएट हो जाएगी. इससे उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिलेगा.
Yeah. Thank you.
Also, every business, even if two businesses sell clothes, there is going to be some difference in their vision and what they actually want. For example, even if two businesses are selling the same Indian wear, they might do it completely differently. One might be into florals, one might be into pastels. It's so our AI can also sense that, and also they can tweak it a little. For example, it's not going to be like a cookie cutter thing. They can tweak it according to their convenience. Like, for example, they didn't like the color, they didn't like something else, so that's why it can maintain originality by taking actual feedback and input.
Okay then. Okay. Thank you.
So same thing. Creativity कैसे आएगी? How will you make sure that that AI is creative and not just hallucinating or?
Yeah. So, sir, for creativity, it will take some inputs. For example, it will generate, let's say, a campaign or whatever, but it will be changeable or editable by the business owner. And there, if the business, generally business owners are very creative by themselves because they have to envision a whole brand and whatever, so they can translate their vision into the campaign better by.
But फिर वो effort तो वापस उस पे ही आ गया ना, business owner पे.
Sir, but earlier a business owner had to do the prompt from scratch. Here he just has to suggest minor tweaks. For example, changing the color or changing the.
तो ये काम तो मैं ChatGPT या Canva के AI पे भी तो कर सकता हूँ.
But the entire thing is that the prompts there require to be very detailed and very extensive to actually produce a
तो
good
आप
output.
AI से prompt बना के दोगे?
No, we will.
मैं कुछ गलत समझ रहा हूँ क्या? मुझे लगा I thought that you are helping a business owner to create their own brand and you are going away from influencers. That is the thing that I understood. So when you are going away from the influencers, the creativity part comes in. So how AI will be more creative like an influencer? Because it does not have its own thought. So either it will take some generic information from the internet and then create something. Now you are saying it will not do that thing, but it will create the prompts. सही समझा क्या मैंने?
So when you actually enter your URL in our app, it will use headless browsers for generating a business CV, you can say, in the backend prompt. Then it will analyze their website, their particular fonts that fit to their style. For example, if there is a coffee shop website and you just paste a URL link on that, it will analyze that it's a coffee shop and what environment would be suitable to it. For example, an AI character sipping a coffee in a library with some cozy vibe music in the background. So it will just analyze all over itself.
और अगर मैंने वेबसाइट भी AI से ही बनवाई है तो?
So तो दिक्कत तो थोड़ी है.
ठीक है. Any questions? Anyone?
So you mentioned that you will make your own operating system, right?
Yeah.
No. So how do you plan to make it? Like, what's your plan? How will you make your own operating system? Like, whether it will be based on some Linux distro or like Unix based? आगे.
We will use like some open sources, like for text and analyzing we will use the Mistral, which is just which runs on a 30 billion parameters, and plus we will use for image and everything we will use VO3 and Nano Banana.
वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कहाँ हुआ? पर ऑल्सो इफ यू लाइक यूज लिनक्स इट हैज़ कॉपी लेफ्ट लाइसेंस, सो आपको ऊपर ओपन सोर्स ही करना पड़ेगा, वो उससे रेवेन्यू कैसे आएगा?
स्ट्रेटजी लीड पे बताना चाहिए इसका आंसर.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Thank you so much.